Hey guys, and welcome back to Mystery Toys. Today we're going to be using our Just Like Home magical microwave, and we're going to be putting these different colored Play-Dohs inside. And then we'll see what surprises we get. Let's get started. First, let's use the color blue. Wow, look who we got! It's Jake from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. He has a blue jacket on and a blue hat on, and his pirate sword is here. He looks really cool. Next, we're going to use the color orange. I wonder what surprise we'll get. And look who it is! We have Quasi from the Octonauts. He has this really cool patch over his eye. He looks really cool. Next is the color green. Wow, it's our friend Gecko from PJ Masks. He is also green. I love his suit. It's all scaly like a lizard. And there's some spikes on the top here. Let's see what surprise we'll get from the color pink. We have Doc McStuffins. Check out her stethoscope and her really cool lab coat. She's ready to help out her stuffies. Let's use red next. Whoa, it's Kion from the Lion Guard. He has some red on him as well, his red mane and red tail. And he's standing on Pride Rock, ready to guard the Pride Lands with his Lion Guard friends. And lastly, we're using yellow. Do you guys know what surprise we'll get? Let's find out. And we have Sofia the First. She's in her purple ball gown with her beautiful tiara. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all the cool surprises we got inside our Just Like Home magical microwave. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with another video from Mystery Toys. Bye for now guys, and thanks so much for watching.